Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing fine. I'm Dr. Muhammad Ali Rabbani, and today we are going to start our topic of upper limb. When talking about the anatomy from the regional perspective, we divided the body into different parts like head and neck, thorax, abdomen, pelvis, perineum, lower limb, and upper limb. So upper limb, this is the part that we are going to focus on, and as we go along the lectures, we will divide the upper limb into further parts like the part that is on the tip of shoulder, the deltoid region, the pectoral region in front, scapular region in the back. Between them there is axillary region, front of arm or brachium, back of arm or brachium, anterior aspect of elbow, cubital fossa, posterior aspect, anterior aspect of forearm, posterior aspect of forearm, anterior aspect of wrist and back of wrist, and then there is palm, there is dorsum of hand and fingers. So we will be going through these areas as we move along with our lectures. This is how the upper limb looks like in a muscular person. You will see prominences made by different muscles. For example, there is a pectoral muscle, there is a deltoid muscle. We will see further as we move along the lectures, and we will see the different veins, the different grooves that are made prominent. Let's talk about the skeleton of the body. The whole body is made up of 206 bones. That includes all the bones of the body. These are more or less symmetrical on the two sides. The skeleton can be divided into two parts. The axial skeleton, that the name indicates, are the bones that are present in the center of the body, and it will include the skull, mandible, all the vertebra, ribs, sternum, and appendicular skeleton that will include all the bones that were left, meaning the bones of the upper limb and the bones of the lower limb. Here are the bones of the upper limb that are total 32 bones on one side, 62 in total on both sides. These include the horizontal bone in front of you, clavicle, this flat bone, scapula, this long bone of the arm between shoulder and elbow, that is humerus. Then comes these two bones. The one on the outer side is the radius, the one on the inner side is ulna, and then these small bones, these ones, these are the carpal bones. Then these five long bones that are making the palm of the hand. So these bones, these are called metacarpals, and all the bones, 14 bones beyond that, these are the phalanges. So that's about it. In the next lectures, we will be going into bones one by one themselves, and then we will dip deeper into the soft parts, that are the muscles, arteries, veins, and nerves of each of the individual part. Thank you so much for listening. Keep following us. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, please let us know in the comments below. See you in the next lecture.